We left Phnom Penh City and made our first stop at the local fish market. Look at this. Everybody busy organizing fish and prepare like packing them like to the customer stuff. Next, we visit a silver village. Here you can see the local life, people selling street, old traditional houses, and we learn about the culture of making silver items for daily use. Look at this beautiful jewelry and so much more. We drove 2 hours to Kampong Chnang province. So first we make a stop for the breakfast and then we stop at this pottery village. We walked into the random local home where they making pottery and we talk with them about how they do it and how the business going. Look at this. We got to the experience making our own pottery with the local right in their home. Then we walked to the pottery factory to see how they making all those different pottery items that you can see in this video. That we drove 1 hour to the mountain viewpoint. So right now we arrived the mountain view over here and at the back, so we will climb up on over there and see the far view of the mountain. Not many people was here when we visited. This is a local spot where they like to come to chill and relax with the nature views. Look at this view, so amazing. People who was working in the rice field and then only like 15 minutes from the mountain view, then we visited the hidden waterfall that not many people know about. We were the only people over there. Waterfall were flowing very hard. We wasn't sure if you could get in. This is the final stair, final top of the waterfall view of waterfall. Wow, so big. Wow. So right now we are going back. We finished watching the waterfall and it's 2 p.m. right now and it took 2 hours to drive from here to the city back. I hope you enjoy the trip with us and I hope me, Lina, to see you soon in the future. Bye! Cua cái nào? Thầy gì?
Thầy tra đó.
Thầy pe à?